You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name from French. This is the French form of Lutetia, the Roman city where Paris now stands. Okay, so it's essentially the French name of Paris, right? Roman name of Paris. Lutèce. Lutèce. Lutèce is how it's said in France. If you cannot pronounce French very well, perfectly, you can say it as Lutèce. Lutèce, or in French, Lutèce. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.